How to remove the password after opening your PDF permanently. Example. So this is the statement, okay? So it's asking the password. So I need to enter the right password for the first time. So once it is opened, right, what you need to do is basically you can just choose under protections, security properties, and if the security method is enabled, right, you can choose no password, okay, or no security. You can enable that, but sometimes it will not be working. So you can do other things. So go to file and just print, okay, and choose Microsoft print to PDF. Okay, if you're not seeing this Microsoft print to PDF also, you can enable. So open run and here type optional features. Okay, if you're not seeing this Microsoft print to PDF, here just search it. So already mine is enabled. Okay, if it is disabled, just enable it and give OK. And now try, now check under printing. So files print, you'll be able to see this. Okay, and now you can choose fit and whatever you want. Okay, make it color, everything perfect now. So now just print, and now I'm going to choose this as unlocked. So successfully it's generated. It's converted to PDF without password. So now I'm going to close this. Okay, now I'm going to open the existing one. It is asking the password. Now trying to open the converted one. This time it doesn't ask the password. So this is the way you can unlock the password after opening your PDF. Password protected PDF. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback to media forms. Thank you. Bye. Take care, friends.